Okay, this is my game of summer 2023 that I created using Unity. My idea was inspired by my own 2D adventure game. I made cool maps with fun movement and can even talk to non-playable characters. During the class, I learned about dialogue and movement, which I used in my project. Dialogue is how characters speak to each other in my game. Movement is how the character moves. Here's my game. Um, my game has a main character, which is this NPC, well, not NPC, this stick man. And that's someone you can talk to. He's not very well designed, but um, I guess he's like the gimmick of him is that he's God and that this guy died. The map is like a 2D map. It takes place in a graveyard. Uh, my NPC can move around here. Let me show you. Not NPC, my player. Okay. Okay, so he can move around, he can jump. Um, and then let me show you the dialogue function. So here, if I activate, you can actually see the dialogue panel, which the NPC's picture would show up here, his name would show up here, and the text that a person inputs shows, and continue would go to the next text. Uh, okay, so my NPC is the square. It has a script which basically controls all of these things um on it, and it also has dialogue, which I mean it basically is what it says. um Here's my script. So this is my dialogue script, and basically um it's the one controlling like the continue button, how fast the text moves, the text appearance, and basically everything. So this controls the ability for the next line of the text to come, like the name says. Uh this is like if the player gets close enough, they can press E and then the dialogue panel shows up. Yeah, the keybind's E, by the way. But if the player is far, which is here, the dialogue panel just disappears. So if the player starts walking away, the dialogue panel will disappear. Um, yeah, my favorite part is working on the project was creating the map. It allowed me to be creative and try out all kinds of cool assets for the map creation. Thank you.